Wow, this is so nice, Tom.
Who is in this picture?
It is our family. Look here.
Tell us more about it.
Ye from Tidal, that's her Phoebe's I rise and...
This is me right here.
Oh, my sweet boy.
Your Ma and I. Your picture is very good.
We love it so much.
Hi, dear. Honey.
I got a bad grade today.
What do you have behind your back? Yeah. On what subject?
My math test.
Oh, Maya, let me see this.
We studied this yesterday together.
You were too fast.
And you made small mistakes.
Maya, you really need to pay attention.
Try harder next time, okay?
I know. I'm sorry.
It's okay. We can practice more.
Mommy, can we please have pizza tonight?
Of course, dear.
Pizza is a great idea.
Yay, pizza! Mummy, Daddy, Tom gets pizza.
Yes, we all get pizza tonight.
Can I have a new coloring set, please?
Not today, Maya. No new toys yet.
You need to focus on your math right now.
But I really want it.
Then we can talk about it.
But that's just not fair. Dinner is ready.
Dig in, everyone.
Look, Maya, it's so good. Stop it, Tom. What's wrong?
Yeah.
Just leave me alone.
Why are you so mad? Maya, that is not nice.
Don't speak firmly, your brother.
Dust it! It's just not fair. What do you mean?
You always say yes to Tom.
That's not true, Maya.
We all have pizza tonight.
You buy him pizza, but I get nothing. You only care about Tom.
Maya, please calm down.
You love him more than me.
That's not true at all.
I don't believe you anymore. Is Maya okay?
She's just upset right now.
Oh, we made a big mistake.
You're right. She thinks we do not love her. We need to go talk to her.
We need to fix this.
Yes, right away.
Maya, sweetheart, can we come in?
Please leave me alone.
We just want to talk. Just go eat with your Tom. I know you are sad, my darling.
But please, listen to a short story.
A story?
Yes, please just listen.
Once a gardener had 2 plants.
A tiny sunflower and a big rose bush.
The tiny sunflower is just a baby plant.
It only needs water to grow.
That's like Tom.
What about the rose?
The big rose is ready to bloom.
It must be trimmed carefully.
To have beautiful flowers.
That's like you, Maya. But trimming hurts the rose.
The gardener didn't cut the rose because he was mad.
We push you because we know how amazing you are.
We love you so much, Maya.
Just as much as Tom.
I'm sorry, Maya.
For what?
Here, have my pizza.
Thank you, Tom. I'm sorry I speak firmly you.
That's my good girl.
We love both of you equally.
I understand now.
Always believe in our love, okay?
I will, I promise. School is finally over. Yes, it is. Hey, Maya. Do you want to play football today?
Yes, I'd love to.
Sorry, Tom. I cannot play today. Why? Are you busy?
Yes, my dad is coming to pick me up.
Oh, where are you going?
We will go to the cinema.
Wow, that sounds fun.
I'm so excited about the new movie.
It is about a super robot.
That's so cool!
Okay, goodbye, Tom.
Goodbye. See you tomorrow.
Driving down the street? Feeling good? Maya will love this movie.
I already bought 2 tickets. Why are we stopping?
Look at that, so many cars.
Where is he? It is 5:30 already. Maybe he is buying popcorn. Or maybe he is parking the car. I will wait a little more. Ooh, my tummy is growling. I am so hungry. This is strange. Dad is never late. Did he forget me?
This traffic is terrible.
Come on, move, please. Hey, blue car! Don't cut in line. Oh no, it is a huge traffic jam.
We are completely stuck. What? It is 5:45 already.
The movie starts at 6. Maya is waiting for me.
Oh no, low battery. Please don't collapse.
Where is my charger? Is it in the glove box? Guys, I second. No, I left it at the office.
My phone is peacefully tired. This is not good.
It is getting so cold. It is too late now. So no movie today. Dad, where are you? It is getting dark and cold.
Maya! Where are you? Are you the guard?
Yes, are you Maya's father?
Where did she go?
She just took a taxi home.
A taxi? Alone?
Oh,
Yes, she was very brave.
Oh, thank goodness.
she sent you a message. My phone died. I didn't see it.
I must go home now.